first we'll go for the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Go to command limits, take lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210, then zoom all, then go to line, select some point, click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse to the right side and click on the first button of the mouse, and again you take the cursor to the upper side and click on first button of the mouse and press enter key. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297 and select this vertical line and offset to the left side, and then go to offset, take the offset distance as 210, select the horizontal line and offset to the top side, then go to zoom extends and zoom 0.6x, then go to fillet between this vertical line and this horizontal line, fillet between this line and this line, similarly fillet between these two, then go to zoom window, select this and take the text, specify start point of text, take the height as 4, rotation angle as 0, type the problem number 133, then go to a circular lamina of 30 mm diameter rests on VP such that one of its diameter is inclined at 30 degree to VP and 45 degree to HP. Draw its top and front views in this position. Then go to zoom previous, then go to layer, click on new, type XY and press enter. Then go to you're going to delete this layer, then delete this layer, then go to layer, click on views and type views and enter. Similarly new and go to locus line, so type locus. So here go to line weight of the layer 0, set it as 0.05 and then the XY, set this as 0.13, say OK, and then go to line weight of views and take it as 0.5, say OK, and the locus line type you take it as 0.05 and say OK. Then go to line type of locus and go to load, click on dash dot and say OK and select that dash dot and say OK now. So all these things have been changed. Then you go to the circle command, draw a circle of diameter 30, then go to zoom window, then go to line, take quadrant of this line and quadrant of this line, then go to array, select object, select this, then go to polar, take center point of array, center point of array, take center of this, then number of items type I, then take 12 and then enter, then go to exit, then go to line, draw a horizontal line, then go to zoom window, then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, intersection of this and perpendicular to this, then go to line, intersection of this and perpendicular to this, and go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two, then select this line, this circle and this line, go to ch command, go to layer, click on views, then go to break this line, first point, take this at the rate, similarly break first point int of this and say at the rate, then go to mirror, take this window and take this crossing, then go to nearest point and mirror it, then switch on the display mode, then go to copy, select this entire top view, first position top view and copy it to the next position. Then go to zoom window, then go to rotate, select this entire thing, rotation angle with respect to minus 30 degrees. Then go to line, take intersection of this and draw a horizontal line. Take INT of this and draw horizontal. Take endpoint of this, draw perpendicular to this. Similarly line, take endpoint of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw horizontal line. Similarly draw INT of this and take endpoint of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to trim between these two. Similarly then go to line, take INT of this and INT of this, and then go to line, take endpoint of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly line, take endpoint of this and perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two, then trim between these two. Then go to line, take intersection of this and then line, INT of this and draw this. Then go to line, take endpoint of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly take endpoint of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to trim between these two. Then go to explode this, erase and then erase this, then erase here, then erase this. So once you get this, now you take erase, then remove, then we have the one. So once you do that, then we go for ellipse command, take intersection point of this and intersection point of this and then take INT of this. Then go to break, select this first point, INT of this and say at the rate. First point, INT of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, INT of this and say at the rate. Break first point, INT of this and say at the rate. And break first point, INT of this and say at the rate. Similarly, break first point, INT of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, INT of this and at the rate. Break first point, INT of this and at the rate. Break first point, INT of this and at the rate. Break first point, INT of this and say at the rate. Now we go for select this and go to layer, click on views. Then now you go to group, select this entire thing and group it as single. Now we need to do find out then go to line, draw a line from intersection point and draw a horizontal line. Now we go for DDIM, go to modify, go to primary unit, make it up to second decimal point and go to text, take this as 4, align with dimension line above and take 3, and symbols and arrows, take arrow size as 4, then go to line, offset from the origin as 3 and say OK and say close. Then dim horizontal, take intersection part of this and take INT of this, you will get 30. Dim horizontal, take intersection, dim horizontal, take intersection of this and take INT of this and take 25.98. Then zoom previous, then go to line, take nearest point and say at the rate 100 less than 45 degree. Then go to circle, take nearest point and take the radius as 30 and then go to line, draw a line from intersection part of this and then go to break this line till here and break this line till here and then go to fillet between these two. Then go to circle, take center point of this and take the radius as 25.98. Then go to break, select this and break this till here, this line till here and then erase it. Now we erase this and also this. Now we are going to copy this with respect to intersection point of this and take center of this line. Then enter. Then go to zoom window. Then go to rotate. Select this base point int. Then rotation reference. Rotation angle is 0. Take the intersection point of this. Then you just go to break. Select this and break it. And similarly you select this and break it. Then go to move. Select this and bring it nearer to this. Now you just click on this. Go to layer. Make that layer as locus. And then type 5 enter. Then escape. Then here go to line, take intersection, take line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. So here again take line int of this and draw again line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between this line and this line and go to line, take int of this and then take line int of this and perpendicular to this, and similarly intersection of this and say perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take intersection of this and draw a horizontal line and take line int of this and draw perpendicular to this, and then go to line, take intersection of this and perpendicular to this, perpendicular to this line. And here then go to line, take int of this and take perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two. Similarly you just go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line and take an intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take intersection of this and draw perpendicular, then line intersection of this and draw a perpendicular line, take intersection of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take intersection of this and draw horizontal line and take line, take intersection of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to zoom window. Then go to line, take intersection, then int, then int, then intersection, then intersection, then int, then intersection, then int, again intersection of these two, then intersection of these two, then intersection of these two, then intersection of these two, and then say close. Then go to pedit, select this, join this entire thing and accept. Then go to pedit, then fit. Then go to pedit, select this, go to pedit, select this and go to fit curve. Then exit. Then select this and take this layer as views. Then you just click on this, then go to zoom previous, then zoom previous, then you select this line and make this layer as XY. Then go to move, select this, the entire thing and move it here. Then go to DDIM, then go to modify, go to primary units, make it 0, then go to text for aligned lines, everything is fine. Then go to dim vertical, take int of this and intersection of this, and here go to text. So here type percentage %C 30 mm diameter, then click. Then similarly dim angular, select between this line and this line, you make it 30 degrees. and go to zoom window, then go to dim angular, select between this line and this line to make it 45 degrees. Then dim TED, select this and bring it here. Similarly, dim angular, select between this line and this line and go to text, give space and enter and place it here. Then go to mtext, go to take this as window and go to symbol, select symbol, type alpha E, small letter A and say close. Then go to move, select this and move it appropriately and keep it. Then go to zoom previous, then go to dtext, put on the caps lock on, type X, you type VP, you type HP and here you type Y, put on the caps lock and type A dash, you type D dash, you type G dash and you type K dash. And similarly A, D, G and K. Enter. Then go to zoom window, select this entire drawing, then go to dim TED, select this and take it inside. Then go to move, select X, then VP, then HP, then A dash, then D dash, then G dash, then K dash. Similarly A, then D, then K, then G. Similarly copy, you take A, you type D, you type K, G, you type K. Then copy, take A dash, then that A dash will come here, then you type D dash, that D dash will come here, then you type G dash, that G dash will come here, you type K dash, that K dash will come here, then you type D text, you type A, you type D, you type G, you type K, then go to move, select this, move it here and D and you type G and you type K. So once you do that, then go to zoom previous. So since we have completed the drawing, you close this and go to save, go to appropriate drive, go to AutoCAD, Laminar drawing, type P133 and save it, and finally you exit the drawing.